Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting the Ajua searching and any day the kind of day ehwemia mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell on so ube a notification and the sun news said the betum bia obenye biatie and I say obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. Ye wo 2023 next year 2024 na to say ye befa ne say asi abato yie mu ani na NPP no aye pim so wo manya asem keto akra sisi ono omo gina se omo nto omo so aba na omo be flag bearer enfema NPP amayoko na nya asem keto akra. Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan where unity emba out the bay huhu Ura Lancash Vice President Dr. Bawumai Ura Akoto Chese Agric Minister enkwofo mo bade omo doso pa nze NPP no afie bedwe amafo bebe no mo ka se kebe ya ka NPP omo nto omo aba nentem se na ebe ya wantwi na bebe no betumi asolve ansa na yesi 2024 because they ebo ba no ano yedin na untumi TV omo program bia watu ni ndi Bawumai ho dance na menim se man no host program no oye Dr. Bawumai ni spokesperson dia minti menchire no begina TV ni so ensem wo ka no enya asem keto akra kame akoye se Ghana free na yento abema vice president because of your man ye but nya na dwen so no obi na dwen because obi pe MPP obi pe NDC and as even MPP ni mukra no obi pe Honorable Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan obi pa Lancash obi nso epe Ura Bawumai na di Bawumai ho dance endra program ne so e na owre eche se omo time eye vice president ni na omo ye useless politicians omo nim nyansa sebi omo nim ne omo ye because onim ne wo ya Dr. Bawumai vice president untumi ntan ende anaso ochina papa eba ne digital ho nsema a ohye ho eba no economics a ohye ho chese the vice president ye onye dem miwa kame akoye se Ghana bi mu chi ni sa na politicians ni bebre na omo fi NPP na NDC bebre na time vice president na in some way na bai ye be kaya enche bia na ye Christmas ewie ya yesi new year mu 2023 ayeko na party bi koso ewo Kumase owura untimi na hostisa party na ofre chairman Amo Ashanti region and NPP for penifuni bi so to party among because afia so na vice president ekopie party na se na party na nsem bi ekọ and the BMW na me say car sa BMW car no se wuntime jenkra and owura wuntumi kura mic no na me nipa mu BMW make an waje so Bawumai must win nene na Ura Lancash ne campaign team no chense nene na untimi uchire sisi abato no kwa yense e babeto na wo ye chairman no we declare inipa bebebe omo ba stand we declare nipa ba ko se ono na he must win and now resign because what chairman na wo ye ne yehu so wo ye chairman na se wo ye neutral so se abeto aba na wie ne we hu so okay nipa ba ko we na ye yi ntie na ye support na sisi no what do support am nipa ba ko dia na wontumi resign so o resign ontimi sorry Ura Bawumai ne campaign team omo ba out but two be ma Ura Lancash ne campaign team Ura Lan so campaign team ba out but two be good and na say sem abanya sem keto akra na bato ne be do dia ne sem be koso wanga na ya sem keto akra na e was sense memo e na di Bawumai ho dance program e koso e wo ontimi TV odi two dwa na o kire se omo time Bawumai ni na omo ye useless politicians omo ni adwemi omo ni me omo ye because ni me wo ye politician pa ni me wo ya enya de abetan vice president ni tie nsema e koso
anyumrasi anema ho o tie nyumrasi tie ni enko anyumna na me be trase no anyway me ba be tre nyumrasi say anybody do na time Bawumai ha no muntie ni ye politicians MPP for NDC for ni bi do na time Bawumai be ha no tie ni ye Bawumai ha no Jejia had Dr. Mahmoud Bawumai say Lumba says any panoma ye phone. Lumba said, wow, Bawumai didn't be born in a way phone. It was a useless politician. Obia Bawumai didn't born in a way a useless politician. Bawumai Mwano. What? Now, to the fear, at the radio, so everybody did born in a way a useless politician. Mwano, Lumba Neka, also a phone. Don't go be a fool, you'll be a useless politician. Mwano. What? Dr. Mwano. Nyata me no Daddy Lumba say Dr. Bawumai and you brought down for politicians and Dr. Bawumai, listen. Daddy Lumba say and you brought down for politicians and no among what and no among what I have born fool what then your Daddy Lumba say can hear me dead and he say Dr. Bawumai any politician or a praku and in Niagara teach him. Dr. Bawumai, listen and listen to me very carefully. Never try to wrestle with any picked politicians in Ghana. Never. Any politicians or me a praku a muja and Niagara of him. If it's what any white on the best him. Dr. Bawumai, what are the white? On the best same. And Lumba say, and Yamam Bawumai don't do it. Nyebika, don't play with useless politicians, both in MPP and NDC. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Number two, don't play with mad politicians. Don't play with mad politicians. And the last one, never wrestle with pigs politicians in NDC and MPP. Never wrestle with them. Leave them alone. Because they have nothing better to offer. And one kodari tom na who be free, one would be free dada. Tell me your phone or phone. Dr. Bawumai, that's the meaning of the song. Don't listen to them. Do lamu on Yakupo Beslau. And how cry. I felt I had death. Send another Akasa. Sasa. Nanado don't go for the Kasa and sign. And I could tell my name. And I could tell my name. And I tell my own to one your ponyo. Banana to boss ya could tell my own to be one your ponyo. Nanado, what out of my Ghana penny, Piao. Maybe so say. I could tell mining or your illegal mining be an hour forest in Nanado Yimano. Over the other Yimano. Ghana penny, Wadama, or call forest him. I could tell mining, or call forest him. I could tell mining, or call forest him. I could tell mining, and you be a Ghana man penny. Oh, yeah, near Memono, better than to boss ya Koduma, your friend. I could tell mining, no, me pa chow. Ghana man penny, I could tell mining. What call forest him? I was a Ghana forest. Utumeza Ghana man penny, Mamwae, Wadaruma. Ghana man penny, Wadama, Mammy Moye, Sakunta mining, Besa, Mamwae. Say, ya, me comra.
Let me respond briefly to the chairperson on the issue of illegal mining. I want to assure him and all of you that Akonta mining is not engaged in any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana as we speak. Further, the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources has, through the agency of the Forestry Commission, with the assistance of the military, made the effort to cordon off all 294 sites of forest reserves in the country and rid them of illegal mining as we speak. We will continue to work to ensure that this situation